In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to get Megumi in Cursed Arena. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Megumi is available on Cursed Arena with the name Shadow Sorcerer. As you can see, he is available as a standard character. However, if you try to click on him, you will usually get this message at the bottom right corner of the screen. System, you don't have this moveset. So if you are unable to play as Megumi, this is because you still need to unlock him. So in this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to unlock Megumi, and I'm going to be talking about his moveset. For you to unlock Megumi, all that you have to do is kill a specific boss. So you can do this on private or public servers, and you can even purchase a ticket to spawn any of these three bosses here. You have to kill Toji, so you have to kill Sorcerer Hunter. After you kill Sorcerer Hunter, there is going to be roughly a 15% chance that you will unlock Megumi. So to keep it simple and to answer the question in the title of this video, all that you have to do to get Megumi in Cursed Arena is to kill the Sorcerer Hunter or Toji, and you will have a small chance of unlocking the character. Once you unlock him, you just have to go over to the characters and select him here with the name Shadow Sorcerer. Now sadly, I won't be able to demonstrate this because, as you can clearly tell, I am a newbie and I don't have a good account with characters, but if you were able to switch to him, you would see all of the new moveset, you would be able to play as him on private and public servers, and you will be able to do all of the moves like Shadow Stalker, Abyssal, and so on. So all that you have to do is kill Megumi. You can purchase a ticket or just camp in a private server for roughly 30 minutes and you will be able to get him to spawn. As you can see, you also get one boss ticket if you are a VIP player per day, so that can also be a consideration if you are thinking of getting VIP for whatever reason. And after you kill Toji, you will have a chance of getting Megumi. I hope I was able to help you on how to get Megumi in Cursed Arena. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.